Everyone, I am Muni Venkatagoda MC from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Here I am going to explain about satellite and optical communication. In that Indian National Satellite System, working benefits, need, application and its role. Introduction to Indian Satellite System. The Indian National Satellite System is a multi-purpose geostationary satellite system. It was developed by an Indian space research organization to cater to the ends of telecommunication, broadcasting, meteorology, and search and rescue operations. Indian national satellite has significantly improved communication and capabilities in India since its inception. Working of Indian satellites. The Indian national satellites operates in geostationary orbit at approximately 36 kilometers above the Earth. They maintain a fixed position relative to the Earth's surface, allowing continuous coverage of the same area. The satellites are equipped with transponders that receive and transmit signals for various applications. Components of Indian National Satellite. The Indian National Satellite System consists of several satellites, ground control stations, and user terminals. Each satellite is equipped with payloads for communication, meteorology, and search and rescue. Ground stations facilitate the monitoring and control of satellite operations to ensure optimal performance. Benefits of Indian satellite technology. Indian satellite enhances communication by providing reliable telecommunication services across urban and rural areas. It plays a vital role in disasters management by offering timely meteorological data and alters. The system supports various sectors including agriculture, education and healthcare, enhancing development. Need for Indian national satellite. Prior to Indian national satellite, India relied on foreign satellites for communication and broadcasting services. The need for an indigenous satellite system arose to ensure self-reliance and national security. Indian national satellites provide essential services that contribute to the social economic development of the country. Applications of Indian national satellite. The Indian national satellite system is used for direct to home broadcasting, offering entertainment and information services. It supports meteorological services by providing crucial weather data for forecasting and disasters management. Indian satellite facilities telemedicine and distance education, bridging the gap between urban and rural areas. Indian National Satellite Overview. Indian National Satellite was launched on July 10, 1995 as part of Indian National Satellite Series. It was designed to enhance communication capabilities and provide meteorological data. The satellites were equipped with advanced features for improved service delivery. Role of Indian National Satellite. Indian National Satellite served as a vital link for telecommunications and broadcasting services across India. It contributed significantly to the meteorological data collection and weather forecasting capabilities. The satellite facilitated disasters management by providing timely alerts and information. Technological advancements in Indian national satellites. Indian national satellite further improved transponders for enhanced signal processing and communication. The satellite design allowed for a longer operational life exceeding initial expectations. It incorporated advanced technology for efficient power management and thermal control. Challenges faced by Indian national satellite. The Indian national satellite encountered issues such as power supply failures during its operational phase. Some transporters malfunctions affected communication services temporarily. However, the satellite continued to provide essential services despite these challenges. Legacy of Indian National Satellite. Indian National Satellite lead the groundwork for further satellite missions in the Indian National Satellite series. The lesson learned from its operation have influenced subsequent satellite design and technology. Its successfully development marked a significant milestone in India's space satellite. Current status of Indian National Satellite. Well, Indian National Satellite is no longer operational. Its contributions to the Indian satellite system are invaluable. The satellite series has evolved with newer satellites providing enhanced capabilities and services. The legacy of Indian national satellite continues to impact India's communication and meteorological infrastructure. Features of Indian national satellite. Indian national satellite system is expected to expand with the introduction of newer technology-driven satellites. Further satellites with the focus on improved data handling and advanced communication features. The ongoing evolution aims to meet the increasing demands of digitally connected India. Conclusion: no, the Indian national satellite system has transformed India's satellite communication landscape since its inspection. Indian national satellite played a crucial role in enhancing communication, meteorology, and disasters management. The ongoing development of the Indian national satellite series is essential for India's technological advancement and self-sufficiency. References: Indian Space Research Organization provides detail about Indian national satellite system. Various academic papers and articles outline the technical specifications and contributions of Indian national satellite. Government reports and publications highlight the social economic impact of the Indian national satellite system in India. Thank you.